Today we are going to see how to make rasgulla at home with spoiled milk. Take the curdled milk and empty it in a container. As you see, the container has this thin cloth and the cloth is called muslin cloth. The solid part of the curdled milk remains in the muslin cloth while the water drains away into the container below. Remove the solid paneer from the muslin cloth. Now use your palm to nicely knead the dough and mix it. Here is a tip for you that nobody else will tell you. You need to knead the dough well and mix it well here until it's nice and mushy and gels well. Otherwise, your rasgulla balls will break once you put it into the sugar water or chashni. Now we need to make the rasgulla balls. While making the balls, you will feel that they are sticking together in a slightly oily form. That is when you realize the balls are well formed. Keep the balls made out of the paneer separately. Now we are going to make the chashni or the sugar syrup. The ingredients that we will require are sugar 1.5 cups, 4 elaichis for flavor. Place the kadai on which you are going to make the chashni or sugar syrup on the gas and place the flame in low. Empty the cup of sugar first and then pour the water into it. Now put the elaichi into it and slowly stir until all the sugar dissolves and the water turns syrupy. Now is the tip 2. Once you feel sugar has dissolved, dip your finger in the sugar syrup to see if the syrup is getting sticky. If it is not sticky, you need to keep the flame on so that the water content reduces. After that, close the container with a plate for 15 seconds. Now open the plate and place the rasgulla balls into the chashni. Close the lid of the kadhai. Keep the lid closed for 10 minutes. Let the mixture along with the rasgulla balls boil nicely. Now open the lid. Here our yummy rasgullas are ready to serve. We have also made a video on how to make paneer bhurji with spoiled milk. It is a super recipe and you can check it on the I button here. Do try the rasgulla recipe at your homes.